So undoubtedly the most misunderstood portion of any suspension system is how to do the front end alignment. From the home guy in his home garage to professional chassis builders, they don't quite understand it. With this QuickTrick system, it all comes in one carrying case. You can use it at the track, the home guy can use it in his home garage. You can check caster, camber, toe-in alignment. You can make your car perform as the suspension
QuickTrick it really sped up our process, and it allows a school system from going down the road to an alignment shop or pulling a reference point on a tire, one of the tread patterns on your tire. It's going to be very specific, as specific as your person reading the tape measure.
Where the inside isn't, so we need a little bit more camber, so we're going to add some camber, and then we are going to try to fix the toe using, using all the QuickTrick stuff. You can do that at the track, something you really, kind of a necessary tool you need if you're going to be tracking the car. You need to be able to check alignment or fix your alignment at the track.
I'm using my new QuickTrick Extreme. Shout out to the Gil and the guys at QuickTrick. It's an amazing product. Checking out my camber, I caught a curb pretty hard on the track. Make sure everything's still in spec.
In this shop too. So the good thing is we can check it out, and this will actually tell us whether or not we have to go to the alignment shop. So that's